Thi Pat by G. Morrison. Eens was a lad called Bobo, and he had a boat called Thi Pat, but now he's as dead as a dodo, but his legend lives on for all that. Thi Pat, she was off a Nara, starn and stem did gaan into a pint. Bobo's transport it was just a barra. What, I'm sure I had mind. Thi Pat it was poort by 2 oars, and Bobo he kent fit to die. He rowed her round all the shores, and even out into the sea. Eens was a lad called all fleesty, and he caught Thi Pat and I sore. But Thi Pat seemed to eye talk a beastie, 'cause the Bobo, that's just what she was for. Thi Pat was a long open boatie, the insides o' her was a tar. The wicht made her nae off a floatie, you'd be safer to bide in a bar. She was crewed by mony a lad, and I've even been in her myself, but the Bobo she looked nae bad, but the crew was just there to bail. There eens was a day wi' thick haar, and her leeks was oor muckle to bear. The answer was hod and meer tar, but the wicht made the rowan nor seer. Thi Pat had no gien past her date, so Bobo he run her agron. The shores for she met wi' her fate, her time had gien doon with the sun. No fire was the cure for Thi Pat, but Bobo had made him feel sick. The fire had seen pit by te uit, 'cause Thi Pat she burnt for a wick.